Dear students, today we will talk about relative permittivity. What I mean by relative permittivity? Relative means relation. And what the relation I am talking about? It is the relation when two charges they kept at free space and the two charges when they kept in a medium. Fine. तो जब मैं इन दोनों के बीच में परमिटिविटी के लिए कोई रिलेशन फाइंड आउट कर दूंगा उस परमिटिविटी को बोलेंगे रिलेटिव परमिटिविटी. सो व्हाई डेफिनेशन? Relative permittivity is defined as, the symbol for the relative permittivity is epsilon r. It is the ratio of the force between two point charges. My diagram number 1. Ratio between the force between two point charges when they kept in free space to the force between two point charges when they kept in a medium. So in free space, the force between two point charges is represented by F, whereas the force between two point charges when they kept in medium, that is represented by Fm, and the ratio between these two forces is going to define a term is known as relative permittivity. Right? Means मेरे को सबसे पहले दो पॉइंट चार्जेस स्टडी करने हैं फ्री स्पेस में, जब इन दोनों के बीच का मीडियम या तो एयर हो या वैक्यूम हो, somehow like that. तो whatsoever the force is, I need to evaluate the force, और उस फोर्स की रेशियो जब आप लेंगे for the second force when these two charges now they kept in a medium, then this ratio will give you a relation, and that relation is basically known as relative permittivity. Now from the previous knowledge, you people know, according to Coulomb law, the force between two point charges when they kept in free space, that is either in air or in vacuum, so this force is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. It is the product of the magnitude of charges divided by distance square. This is my equation number 2. And similarly, I can calculate force between two point charges when they kept in medium. कौन सा फैक्टर चेंज होगा? Earlier it is epsilon naught, permittivity in free space. Now I am talking about permittivity of the medium. सिर्फ ये एक ऐसा फैक्टर है जो यहाँ पे चेंज होगा, else everything remains same. So this is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon, product of the magnitude of charges divided by distance square. This is my equation number 3. I need to take the ratio of these two as given by the statement. So while I am taking the ratio of these two, what I am getting? The relative permittivity epsilon r, this is equal to F divided by Fm. Here F is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. It is Q1 Q2 divided by r square, and this factor is further divided by 1 upon 4 pi epsilon, which is the value for Fm, multiplied by Q1 Q2 divided by r square. This factor is cancelled out with this factor. Here 1 upon 4 pi epsilon. This 1 upon 4 pi is going to cancel out with 1 upon 4 pi, and we left with 1 upon epsilon naught divided by 1 upon epsilon. Means this is 1 upon epsilon naught and this is 1 divided by epsilon. So while solving this relative permittivity, this is equal to 1 upon epsilon naught multiplied by epsilon over 1, means this is epsilon upon epsilon naught. So this term in physics is known as relative permittivity. That is the relation between permittivity of medium to permittivity of free space. That term is known as relative permittivity. So in general, what I can write for the result? Therefore, relative permittivity, that is equal to force between two point charges in free space to force between two point charges in medium, and that is equal to epsilon upon epsilon naught. Permittivity in medium to permittivity in free space, and this is basically known as K, where K is dielectric constant.